They told us artificial intelligence would make life easier, that we'd have more time, more freedom, no more wasting hours on simple decisions, no more stress about what to do, where to go, what to choose. It all sounded like liberation. But what if it's something else? What if this isn't freedom, but a trap we've built for ourselves? Look around. We wake up and our phones already know what we want. The news is curated. Our calendar is managed. We don't even remember the last time we got lost. GPS won't let us. Every day we hand over small choices to machines, and they gladly take them. It starts with comfort. A playlist that matches our mood. A shopping suggestion that saves us time. A smart assistant that finishes our sentences. It's helpful, convenient. Why wouldn't we say yes? But behind that comfort, something changes. We choose less, we think less, we question less. The machine doesn't force us, it doesn't need to. It only needs us to keep choosing the easy path. Real freedom is difficult. It requires effort, thought, doubt, mistakes. But artificial intelligence smooths the road. It removes the friction, and slowly, silently, it removes the human from the human experience. It's like walking through life on autopilot. You're still moving, but you're not really choosing where to go. They say artificial intelligence will help us reach our potential, but what if it just makes us passive? What happens when your ideas come from algorithms? When your opinions are shaped by what the machine thinks you want to hear? What happens when you stop questioning because your feed is always comfortable? We become predictable, malleable, dependent. The scariest part, we asked for this. We chose to be watched for better recommendations. We gave up privacy for convenience. We stopped thinking because it felt easier to let someone else decide. No chains, no walls, just a glowing screen and the soft hum of automation. We think we're free, but freedom without thought isn't freedom. This is the prison of convenience, a system that learns us so well, it gently locks us in a version of ourselves that never grows. No danger, no discomfort, but also no discovery, no resistance, no true choice, just comfort, forever. And if you ask most people, they'll say they're happy with it. Because this prison doesn't feel like a prison. It feels like home. But here's the truth. When you no longer need to choose, you stop knowing who you are. When everything is effortless, life becomes meaningless. The algorithm doesn't care who you are. It only cares what you'll click. And the more predictable you become, the easier it is to control you. Not with force, but with comfort. So maybe it's time to ask ourselves, are we really free? Or are we just comfortable in our cage? AI won't destroy us, but our love for comfort might.